How to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on Android. The first thing you want to do is turn on the flight mode. Go ahead and turn it on. Now after 10 seconds, you again want to turn that off and check if your problem is fixed. If it's not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up your device settings. Go ahead and launch open your device settings. Then select the option of connections. Now tap on the option of mobile networks. Once you get here, you want to find your preferred network mode. Go ahead and select that. Now go ahead and select 2G. After some time, you want to again change it back to normal. Now check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is head back over to your settings. Here, find the option of General or General Management, then find Reset. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. Now select Reset Settings. Once that is done, your issue will be fixed. If not, you can simply restart your device. After restarting, you will be able to get service back on your Android phone. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.